So this is how you can add a work schedule to your iPhone calendar, right? So you have a few options. Naturally, if you open up the built-in calendar, you have the ability to just click on or just open up the main day, click on the plus icon and set up a work event or a schedule, right? So if you do this, you can just set up or type in the event. For instance, I'm going to just type in work and choose it to last from whichever time I wish, from let's say 7 a.m. to like 2 p.m., right? And the thing is that if I want this to not just be a one-time event, but an actual schedule, I'm going to click on a repeating option. And instead of every day, because it's probably not going to be every day or every week or whatever of these options it's here, but I'm just going to click on custom instead. And I'm going to choose that it's going to be every other day or every day that I wish, right? So there are plenty of different things which go into it, and you can just set up the repeating as many times as you wish, right? So that's kind of how it works. Perhaps you can choose it to be every week. Let's say that is going to be your Monday work or whatever, and then it's just going to appear like that, and you can see this is now your schedule inside of the calendar. And actually, it just goes way deeper than that because there are more options to pick from. For instance, you can install a different calendar for your work specifically. You can then just add a Google Calendar as another app where you will have a different work schedule compared to your personal calendar. Or you can also use multiple different accounts which have separate events within one app. Google and even Apple have the ability to add more accounts of calendars into one app, meaning that some events might overlap. You might have your personal calendar, you might have your work calendar added as a account. So this is another possibility on how you can approach this. For instance, me personally, I like to use the app called Motion. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but it is also connected with Google Calendar, but it has some extra features which I like, and I use it every day to just schedule and plan my day, right? So it is another possibility as well, and there are so many different productivity tools, so this would honestly require like a very long video, so perhaps I might make another tutorial or an updated video in the future. So let me know below in the comments if you are interested or if you have more questions about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.